Hello guys, in this video I'm telling you best ways to learn coding. So guys, let's begin. So number one is books. So the first way is books. So if you want to learn coding, then I recommend books is best ways to learn coding. Number two, tutorials. Second best ways to learn coding is tutorials. There are many online tutorials where you can find coding tutorials. Number three, videos. So video is great way to learn coding for free. So there are many YouTube channels where you can find coding videos. Number four is practice. So guys, if you want to improve your coding skill, then practice is best way to improve your coding skill. So guys, you need to do more than 1 hour practice to improve your coding skill. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be very helpful for you, and if you want more videos like this, then please hit the subscribe button gently and just press the bell icon. So thanks for watching for now. See you soon.